8 wheels, one unstoppable force, and a presence that feels closer to a moving fortress than a vehicle. The Toyota Storm Overlord 8x8 is not built to follow roads. It is built to erase them. And once you understand what this machine is capable of, the idea of limits starts to disappear completely. This is Jack Motorlux, where extreme machines meet real storytelling. And today we are stepping into something that changes the scale of what an off-road vehicle can be. The Storm Overlord exists because some environments demand more than power. They demand control, stability, and endurance on a level most vehicles will never reach. This is not an upgrade, it is a transformation of what mobility means. When the terrain turns unpredictable and unforgiving, look at it from the outside, and the first thing you notice is its sheer dominance. The extended chassis stretches across 4 axles, creating a long planted stance that feels unshakable. The design is bold yet purposeful. Sharp front lighting, a wide aggressive grille, and a body that feels armored without looking heavy. Every line serves a reason. Every surface reflects strength. And the 8 massive wheels complete the picture, giving it a visual identity that is impossible to ignore. But then you step inside and everything changes. The harshness of the exterior fades into a calm, refined space. The cabin feels insulated from the outside world with premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and seating designed for long-distance endurance. There is space to move, space to breathe, and a sense of quiet control that makes every journey feel less like a challenge and more like an experience. The cockpit is built around the driver with a wide digital display that keeps information clear and easy to read, alongside a responsive control layout that feels natural from the first moment. Nothing is overcomplicated. Everything is placed with intention. This is technology that works with you, not against you, especially when focus matters the most. But here is where things begin to escalate. Under the hood sits a powerful diesel engine, engineered for torque reliability and long-range performance. It delivers steady, controlled power through an advanced 8-wheel drive system that ensures traction on every surface, from loose sand to deep mud and steep, rocky inclines. This is a vehicle that does not hesitate. It moves forward with confidence every single time. And this is where it changes everything. The 8x8 drivetrain is not just about adding more wheels. It completely redefines balance, load distribution, and stability. Each axle works in harmony to keep the vehicle grounded, even when carrying extreme loads or navigating uneven terrain. This means more control, less slip, and a driving experience that feels secure no matter how harsh the environment becomes. One of the most impressive features is its adaptive terrain system, which continuously monitors the surface beneath you, adjusting power delivery and suspension response in real time. This allows the Storm Overlord to stay composed, whether you are crawling through technical trails or pushing across wide-open landscapes. Durability is built into its core. Reinforced frame components, heavy-duty suspension, and full underbody protection ensure it can handle repeated stress without compromise. It is designed to keep going where others would stop, giving you the confidence to explore further without second-guessing the machine beneath you. Of course, there are realities to consider. Its size makes tight city driving a challenge, and parking in standard spaces is far from easy. Fuel consumption is also not its focus, but that is the trade-off for this level of capability and presence. It is honest about its purpose, and that honesty adds to its credibility. So who is this built for? It is for those who see the world differently, those who are not satisfied with staying within boundaries. It is for explorers, expedition teams, and professionals who need something reliable, powerful, and ready for the unknown. It is for people who understand that true freedom comes from capability. When you take a step back and see the Storm Overlord as a whole, it becomes more than a vehicle. It becomes a statement of intent. It represents strength, independence, and the willingness to go beyond what is considered possible. Every detail works together to create a sense of completeness. The exterior projects power, while the interior delivers comfort, and the performance ties it all into a cohesive experience that feels both extreme and refined at the same time. Imagine driving into remote landscapes where the ground constantly shifts beneath you and the path ahead is uncertain. The 8-wheel system grips the terrain with confidence, allowing you to keep moving without hesitation. Every moment feels controlled. Every decision feels supported by the machine you are in. The engine delivers a deep, steady presence, never overwhelming, always ready, giving you the assurance that power is there exactly when you need it. This balance between strength and precision is what makes it feel dependable, even in the most demanding situations. Visibility is enhanced through an elevated driving position, giving you a clear view of the terrain, while advanced camera systems assist with managing the vehicle's extended size, making navigation easier, even in complex environments. This level of awareness builds trust, and that trust changes how you approach every journey. Challenges no longer feel like obstacles. They become opportunities to explore further and push beyond familiar limits. That is what sets the Storm Overlord apart. It is not just about how it looks or how much power it has. It is about the confidence it gives you and the experiences it makes possible. By the time you spend real time with it, one thing becomes clear. This is not built for everyone, and that is exactly why it stands out. It is designed for those who demand more and expect their vehicle to match their ambition. The Toyota Storm Overlord 8x14 8 does not try to fit into any category. It creates its own space where capability meets imagination and strength meets purpose. And once you understand what it offers, going back to something ordinary feels like a step in the wrong direction. This is not just progression. This is a complete redefinition of what a vehicle can be when limits are removed and expectations are pushed further than ever before. If this machine sparked your imagination, drop a comment and subscribe to Jack Motorlux for more next-level automotive stories.